Whether you are a Java developer or a user of Java desktop applications, you need to know how you can install Java on your machine. Hi, this is Arun from Random Codes. In this video, let's take a look at how we can install Java on Windows. Let's take a step-by-step approach to have a clean installation by verifying the Java version both before and after installation. First, open the command prompt and check if you already have the Java installed on your machine. If yes, what's the version? If you don't have Java installed or you want to install a different version than the one that you already have, then download and install Java from the official website. When we talk about Java, we are actually talking about the common package Java Standard Edition Development Kit, or simply JDK, which includes both JRE and development tools. If you are a Java developer, you need JDK, as it includes JRE with all the essential development tools. If you are just a user of Java desktop applications, you simply need JRE. But there is no harm in installing JDK, as it includes JRE that is required. After installation, open the command prompt again and check the Java version, which should reflect the version that we installed. With this being said, let me show you how we can do this on my machine. As I already mentioned, before we go ahead and install Java, let's open the command prompt and run the command java-version. So when we run that command, so I got an error message saying Java is not recognized. So it means that I don't have Java installed on my machine. And now let's go to the browser and search for Java and look for the official website and open it. On this official website, there are some recent downloads that are available. So the latest version that is available is Java Standard Edition 16.0.2. And there is also another version which is 11.0.12, which is labeled as long-term support. Let me choose the latest version. Click this. On this page, we have a JDK download link. So just click this. So once we click this, we'll be routed to this particular page where you have this section that states that Java Standard Edition Development Kit 16.0.2, and we have installers for all the different versions that are available. So if you see here, we have the Windows 64 installer, and we have this link provided here, and the size of this installer is 150 MB. So click this, and we have to accept the terms and then click this download. So it starts downloading, and it will take some time to get this done. Now the download is complete, and we have this downloaded .exe file here. So let me, once we have this file, we just have to double click that, and let me close my Windows. So this is the first screen that we get for Java installation. So we just have to click next, and it will give us the path where this Java will be installed. So it's inside the program files, Java JDK 16.0.2. Just click next, and it starts installing the Java, and it will take a couple of minutes to finish. Now it's successfully installed, so you can simply close this window. So let me open the command prompt again and run the command java-version. Now it says version 16.0.2. That's all for now. I hope this video is useful. Let us know your feedback and suggestions in the comment section. If you like the content, feel free to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on another video with a different topic. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.